All right, meteorologist Jeff Andrews has the latest.
And clearly, our #1 weather headline, storms, the potential for strong to severe storms, likely in several waves across the state, across the day into the evening. Very warm temperatures, higher dew points, that's added fuel for the potential storms. This contour you see here in the deeper red, Eau Claire, La Crosse, Madison, that is where the highest threat is for Wisconsin. 4 on a 5 scale. You go further to the east, a level 3, southeastern Wisconsin, a level 2. And all threats on the table, potential for damaging winds, sizable hail, strong tornadoes, all a possibility. All right, on Futurecast, you can see it wants to form somewhat of a linear pattern. A lot of times within an organized line like that, you could have embedded tornadoes. Let's roll later on in the afternoon. Still seeing some pretty strong lines off to the west as well. It's going to be a conveyor belt sort of thing, a domino effect, if you will. What happens earlier in the day likely impacting the potential for later on as well. We head into the evening towards 10 o'clock. Pretty strong line, potentially of strong to severe storms at that point. Once again, embedded within, not guaranteed, but often tornadoes embedded within that line. We get towards the midnight hour and shortly thereafter. That's how things are looking. Pretty strong line impacting the Green Bay Fox Valley area at that point. Things start to quiet down towards 2-3 a.m. After a high of 72 for Milwaukee, Green Bay, Madison 79, 71 Eau Claire, La Crosse with a high of 76. So we're going to go through all this again. Time it out for you, let you know what to expect. Make sure you're prepared. That's in your weather on the wall.
Area and the same systems are still on the move.
Storm Track 9 meteorologist Jeff Andrews joins us now with the latest developments. Jeff.
Well, I want to share the upside out of the gate. All right, the tornado watch, it was mainly to the south. That was expired early, and we had a flood advisory in place as well. Portage, Waupaca counties. They expired that as well. Any doubt what's going on in Wausau right now? You can see the flashes on the Covantage Credit Union cam. The rain is coming down. 69 right now. Yes, it's humid. It's raining. North winds at 10 miles an hour. This is what we're seeing where the thunderstorm activity is. This is a 2-hour loop that I have here. Primarily Clark, Marathon, Wood, Portage County. All right, it's still pretty active right now. Fortunately, non-severe. All right, this particular cell now for Wausau, we've got more activity ahead. All right, towards about just around 10:15, I would say so. Ringel 1038, also Hatley. Along the track of this particular cell, there are about 4 that I've been watching here. Off to the west a bit. Okay, Unity 1002, just about now, right? 1025 Stratford, Edgar around 1038, also impacting Marathon City. And also to the south, this particular cell, Lanark around 1030, and Waupaca around 1049, and also a pretty strong cell here near Marshfield as well. It's moving about 30 miles an hour. Tomorrow we have an elevated severe weather threat as well. I'll explain what we could see with that in your main forecast.